So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a sketch on image in Photoshop 7.0, and I'm going to show you right now. So now we're going to import our image from our file explorer. I'm gonna be using this image. So after importing our image, I'll go to my background and right click and click on duplicate layer. Then I'm going to type gray, then I'll click on OK. So after that I'm going to press Ctrl Shift U and it's going to talk to gray color. So after doing that, I'm also going to duplicate it again. I'm going to click on OK. So after that I'll go to my image, go to adjustment and go to invert. After doing that, I'll go to my filter, go to my blur and go to Gaussian blur. Then I'm going to leave it on 4.1 and click OK. So after doing that, I'll go to here and click on color dodge. So after doing the color dodge, and now we are done, we've made a sketch of image and I'm so cute in it. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. I'm sure you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much, and see you next time. And